Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dipen from Pune right now in Ratadia, Kutch, and I'm leaving from this beautiful place with some very good memories. I'll be back soon over here. बहुत बुरा लग रहा है वैसे, गाड़ी all decked up and एक अंकल को मिलना है, एक फैमिली को मिलना है और फिर यहाँ से गांव से हम एग्ज़िट मारेंगे. सो वो रहा पिकॉक. भाई सुना दे एक बार आवाज़, कान खो जा रहा है. उनको गुड बाय बोल दिया और ये गांव के गलियों से निकल रहे हैं. दिस टिमसून्स आर रियली ग्रेट. लास्ट टाइम विथ माई TRK आई वॉज गेटिंग स्क्रूड अप इन दिस सैंड. और कुछ जगह पे अगर पानी जमा हो जाता तो TRK तो बैठ ही जाती थी, बिकॉज दिस बिकम्स ऑलमोस्ट स्लशी. सेइंग गुड बाय टू आवर हाउस. I have to come here 3 times again this whole year. Once when my mommy comes next month, तब आना है. उसके बाद चलो आचा तो मेणे खंड में मलबो पाछो. चलो चलो. एंड देन दिवाली के जस्ट बाद एक फंक्शन है यहाँ पे, उसके लिए आना है. दैट इज़ इन नवंबर 15 तारीख के आसपास आना है. एंड देन अगेन आई हैव टू कम बैक इन December when my mommy goes back. So when she comes here and when she goes back, I need to come here to help set things up and then wind things up. तो टोटल 4 राइड्स होने वाले हैं. चलो ना पी के रो. हाँ बस नकरा तो. हाँ मेणे खंड में मलबो पाछो. ये रस्तो खराब है ना,
1 किलोमीटर खराब है. गाड़ी चेंज के वांधो ने
कहाँ तनु जले होना तो फटाफट. हाँ हाँ तो ऊपर थींदो ना पोए मथे थींदो ना कच्छ. शॉर्टकट थींदो. अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ भले ठीक है. ठीक है चलो. यार बहुत दुख हो रहा है निकलने को, इसलिए मैं आराम से निकल रहा हूँ. आवर टेम्पल, बाय द वे दिस टाइम आई हैव नॉट एंटर्ड एनी टेम्पल. अदरवाइज आई यूजुअली डू अ टेम्पल रन, बट दिस टाइम आई डिड नॉट गो एनीवेयर. यो डॉगी पांजरापोर. ये ट्रैक्स यहाँ पे बहुत चलती है, इसका नाम तूफ़ान है. एंड ऑलमोस्ट सीट कितना इसमें एक इन टफ टाइम्स या फिर इन इमरजेंसीज जहाँ पे किसी को कैब भी नहीं मिल रही है वगैरह, दे फिल अराउंड 20 पीपल ऑल्सो इन इट. अभी तो शायद इसमें कितने रहेंगे, 3 6 और 12 12 पीपल मस्ट बी देयर अप्रॉक्सीमेटली इन इट. हा प्लीज स्टॉप, बफेलोज क्रॉसिंग, सो मेनी ऑफ देम. निकली जाऊं. God, this is difficult. I'm feeling bad that I'm disturbing their route. Oh God, great. These are the premises of, or this is the premises of Bhadreshwar temple. It had been completely, flowed down during the earthquakes. And I love to visit this place. इस टाइम आते समय मिस किया था, so I've come now. Such a superb view. So massive. Those who had seen my TRK video, मैंने TRK का मिरर स्टेम जो है I had repaired it here. अंकल ने करके दिया था. I have come to meet them today. चलो निकलो. फरीदी चांस मरसे तो चक्कर मारीस. ये चलो. श्योर पाको. चलो. It feels good when you meet such people. So they have all turning jobs and threading jobs and they do all those stuff. And मेरा TRK का काम उन्होंने, since I was riding all the way, I was Gujarati, I was from around this area and all, तो उन्होंने मेरे को फ्री में करके दिया था. They didn't charge me a bit when they came to know who I am, like what am I doing and all this stuff. मतलब राइड बीट कर रहा हूँ. So आज के vlog में I'll be putting only all this kind of stuff, and probably I'll try and do only one vlog. I won't make two videos or something, क्योंकि I guess people are getting bored looking at all the content, same content बार बार. तो एक ही वीडियो बनाएंगे from Kutch to Pune. We'll be doing a quick railway crossing as I need to go inside this village called Lakadia. ये वो रहा स्टेशन. एंड आगे जाके हमारे एंसेस्ट्रल एकदम परदादा उनके दर्शन करने हैं. एंड देन अपन निकलेंगे हाईवे के लिए बैक टू होम. I purchased some पूजा का सामान, घी, अगरबत्ती, incense sticks, matchsticks, and मूंग को क्या बोलते हैं, I don't know in English. All this stuff to do some छोटा सा पूजा at my ancestors का temple. यहाँ से खरीदा. Let's move. थोड़ी सी तकलीफ हुई आते आते. I was going to fall almost 4-5 times in the sand. Front tire was slipping off, but I've reached. Happiness. निसर परिवार ना दादा नु मंदिर, खेतल दादा. This is where I am, in the middle of fields from all sides. There's a big solar plant somewhere out there. And why am I here? So this is a small temple of our great grandfathers, and the name is Khetal Dada. Dada means grandfather in us, and this is his idol. It's basically a stone, and this is the place where he had expired, and so we worship this place as a holy place. I try to come here once a year, and whenever I come here I get some this is called mung, then some incense sticks, some ghee and some matchsticks, so that if someone comes here directly without any of this stuff, he can still come here and use the one that is kept here and do the puja. Absolutely peace, quiet out here. That's our Tommy. Off-road करते हुए बाहर जाना है, so I'll show you how I get out. And this machine is basically used for ripping off the skin of the dry coconut. You insert the coconut here, kind of like this, and then you pull this flaps open out and the skin tears out. So that's it from here. I'll take your leave and let's move ahead and meet ahead. I kept biscuits for the dog out there, but probably the birds want to enjoy it.
One's a company, two's a crowd, three's a party coming, move around like first rush when the school is out, when the booze is up, when the sun is down, the in the Chevy. Just like a darling, low hitting heavy. Take your time, let me know when you're ready. Couple months I've been messing with this steady. Open for plans tonight. Lost in the afterglow. Oh, girl, your love for me keeps calling me, so I'm calling you. Lord, give me like the fire. I long for your company. Oh, girl, your love for me is a part of me, my biology. Yeah, yeah, it won't be over till the fat lady sings. I owe you a trip, cause me and you, we got a thing. My sunshine, I stay here, cutie like a string. Just a big ol' ooh, smile, that's about all you got.
This bridge here, over here has broken, तो इसकी वजह से पूरा ट्रैफिक जैम होता है जब when it is peak hour, and it is being prepared I think almost since a month now. So this is just after मालिया मियानिया जो salt pans वगैरह आते हैं ना, उसके बाद towards अहमदाबाद from कच्छ. पूरा क्रम्पल ही हो गया यार. What the fuck, I don't think so the person who must have been driving in this must have survived. खत्म हो गया रहेगा. कहीं डस्टर छे, डस्टर इग्निस छे. अरे बाप रे, फुल स्पीड में टर्न मारने गया भाई साहब एंड टकाक हो गया रहेगा. आई होप किसी को लगा ना हो. बाय द वे इट वाज गोइंग टू रेन एंड फ्यू ड्रॉपलेट्स आल्सो केम डाउन. थोड़ी सी बारिश हम पर हुई एंड GoPro का रेनकोट is on, so you might not see clear video or clear output here onwards if I record. So guys, I end the part 4 or the episode 4 here. I know I had said that I'll try to make a combined video, but there were issues on my return day. Both the days there were issues with the bike and the climate, and also I had to record some more clips which I will explain in the episode 5 soon. So do watch out for that. And yes, if you like the content of this one, do hit the like button, do share it ahead with your friends and family. And if you like the content of my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and do hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching all the way. Dipen from Pune.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't